Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss importance of English writing. Guys, please watch this video begin to end. It will affect you to learn English in all guys. Hello guys, don't wasting time. Let's start today's topic. Importance of English writing. Point first, writing is best way to clear of the concept. I mean, when you write something at that time you came to know very well about that concept. Point second, through the writing we came to know about new word, sentence formation, phrase, adjective and verb. Writing is best way to implement our vocabulary, sentence formation and adjective. We came to know about new word, we can remember that word very well in our mind. That's why writing is best important to learn English and fluent in English to all guys. Point 3, we can work our mistake our the spelling. When we when we learn English, at that time when we write something we came to know about the mistake is spell. That's why it is right way to work in our mistake of the spelling. Point 4, our brain ability to think in English. Through the writing we can think in English. I mean, when we writing something at that time we focus 100% that's writing. That's why we think in English. Point 5, we may develop our English fluency. Writing is good way we can improvement our English uh, we get English knowledge. Through the we can improvement our English knowledge, we get much English knowledge. Also we can improvement in our English uh, uh, fluency in guys. Point 6, diary note, we get our waste time and weakness. When we make to write daily diary, at that time we came to know our wasting time, we came to know our weakness. What is the in I mean to say that we should know our mistake and the strength. At that time we can work in our weakness. Point 7, we can implement our handwriting. Handwriting is art. I mean, writing is art. I would like to tell you, when if we will be good writing, we get respect somewhere. And uh, as well as when we will be good writing we get some reward, like that we get some good remark, like that. Point 8, now this the hectic life we can't remember the all thing, so can that right. You just see nowadays all person in is busy in work. We have responsibility in our family, our work in, and at that time we seems busy in work. At that time we can't remember so many things. That's why when if we will be pain we can write that some point and some notes. That's why writing is best way to put that knowledge in our diary. And if we can write that thing on some page. That's why writing is necessary to all guys. Point 9, through the writing we can implement our creativity. When we write something we focus 100% of the writing. That's why we can implement in our brain power. That's why writing is good for all human beings. Point 10, we can catch the knowledge. Writing is good way to grab much knowledge. Through the writing that knowledge we get keep in our mind. Point 11, good handwriting we get reward and sub reward. You just see when we learn some school, at that time we take part so many function. There is some some uh, we get some remark and we get some reward. That's why writing is good for all guys. Also point 12, most of exam we have to crack in handwriting. if I will be good handwriting, we can do good impact to the examiner. You just see, when we attempt like 10th class exam and like when we attend 10th class and uh, like 10th class exam and some exam, at that time if we will be good handwriting, we get some good remark through the examiner. They just attention in our handwriting. That's really important to handwriting. Point 13, we can understand the principle, law, formula, tricks of the writing. Writing is good way to keep in mind that's every concept, principle, law, formula. We can write again and again, and through the writing, these things remain in our mind. Point 14, writing is art. If we will be good writing, we can uh, like uh, 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 we can do like so many things in life. I mean, through the writing, we can impact to everyone. Also, through the writing is art. Through the writing, people can become a unusual things in his life. That's why writing is necessary. Point 15. When we learn the school, we have to write the letter application. I mean, when we learning in uh, like when we learning some school college, at that time we have to write some letter application in our principal teacher. At that time, writing is good important, as well as writing is necessary for good content. If we will be good content, we get some good remark to the another person. Point 16, without the writing we can't learn further, we can't achieve something in life. Without the writing we can't learn education. This imposed by all students, all human beings. Writing is good way to keep in mind that knowledge, and that's why writing is necessary to know all guys. But now you can see nowadays all student, all people have mobile. That's why they use some uh, uh, writing that thing, one application, that application name is notes. They can write this. There is some essential point. That's why writing is necessary to learn English in all guys. I think we should write every day at least uh, like 15 to 50 minutes. I think 15 to 20 minutes we should write this all thing as per my side in writing of this point. Hi guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe this video and press the bell button. Then you will get my video like link and other things like. Please and thanks for watching all video guys.